How are you today? I hope everybody is happy and healthy. Today, Miss Johanna is not alone because Miss Johanna will be with Miss Bella and also Miss Fifi. Nah,
Hello, hello! How are you today? It's nice to see you again. I hope you are healthy.
Hello everyone, nice to see you again.
Today, we have some words to blend together.
we are going to blend with the sound of like in umbrella. Okay, now let's check what word that we have for ah. Ready? Here you go.
The first word, I have this. Can you see the word? The first letter, we have B, and then A, and then B, A, Ban, ban. Do you know what is bun? Bun is a bread that has like this, that the shape like this, a roll bread with a various shape. I will show you the picture. This is bun. We call it bun. Next, this one. The second words, Miss Fifi has this. The first letter is and then a, and then a, run. Do you know what is run? Run is make a fast movement. It is faster than walk. We call it run. I will show you the picture. This is the picture. Run. Next, the third words. The third word, this one. The first letter is G, and then A, and then G, A, gun. Do you know what is gun? Gun is a weapon, like this. Bang, 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 bang. I will show you the picture. This is gun. Next, the fourth word. This one. Bus. Do you know what is bus? Bus is a kind of transportation. It's a large vehicle that has a lot of passengers. I will show you the picture of bus. This is bus. Okay, next, the fifth word. I have this word. The first letter we have and a and fun. Do you know what is fun? Fun is enjoying something. When you are happy, when you're doing something, we call it fun. I will show you the picture of fun. This one. We call it fun. Next, the last word. the first letter B, and then A, and then D. B, A, D. Bird, bird, bird. Do you know what is bud? Bud is a flower that is not blooming yet. Here, I have flower, but it is too small. We call it bud. If this is a blooming flower. This one, bud. Okay?
Okay, are you ready to blend with Miss Bella? Let's go! In here, Miss Bella have the first card. Ready to blend? Okay. The first one, H, A, T. H, A, T. The next one, hat, hat. What is hat, Miss Bella? Okay, hat is a house made of leaf and stick. Let Miss Bella show the picture. This one is hat. Hat. Okay, the next one, Miss Bella have this one. Okay, ready to blend? The first one, N. The next one, sun. The fastest one, sun. Super fast, sun. 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 What is sun? Yes, you know the song, right? Of sun. Yes, sun, it is the biggest star in the solar system. It gives you light. This one, the picture of sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, sun. Yes, right? The song is like that. Okay. The next one is this one. What letter is this? Yes, it's N. Okay, ready to blend it? Set, go. N, A, T. Nut, nut. Super fast, nut, nut. What is nut? What is nut? Yes, good job everyone. Nut is kind of food. Do you like to eat nut? It's very yummy. This one, the picture of nut. Miss Bella like it. This one is very yummy and good for your body. This one is nut. Nut. The next one, Miss Bella have this one. This one. Ready to blend? Set, go. A, G. A, G. Mark. The fastest one, mark. Super fast, mark. 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 What is mark? Let Miss Bella show. It's mark. What is mark? This one is mark. I have mark in here. What is mark? Yes, it is a drinkware. It's usually for drink some milk, or if you want to use drink chocolate, you can use mug. Mug is bigger than a cup. This one is the big one. Okay. And then next, in here, Miss Bella have yes. Ready? Set, go. K. Again. Hak. Super fast. Hak. What is hug? Yes, good job. Hug. I want to hug you because Miss Bella miss you so much. But in here Miss Bella have a doll, and then Miss Bella wants to hug my doll like this. This one, I hug my doll. This one, the picture of hug. So cute. This one is hug. Okay, and this one it's my last card. This one. Okay, ready to plan? Set, go. Ke, a, t. The next one, cut. Super fast, cut. Cut. What is cut? Yes, doing something maybe with scissor. You can use scissor also. And in here Miss Bella have pepper, the small one, and I want to cut the pepper like this. Oopsie, it's fall down, and then I take it and I want to make the small one also. Okay, this is cut. Be careful to use the scissor, and then let me show you the picture of cut. This one, cut the blue pepper.
The next one, mad, mud. A bit faster, mud. Super fast, mud. What is mud? Mud is soil mixed with water. It's usually soft and sticky, like a Play-Doh, but it's a bit wet. Wanna see the picture? Here you go. The pig play in the mud. Let's go to the next one. I have lug. Lug. A bit faster. Lug. Super fast. Lug. What is lug? Lug is carrying or dragging something heavy. Can be your suitcase or can be a big bag. I have the picture here. Look at the woman. The woman is lugging her suitcase because it's very heavy. So she need to lugging, carrying things that is very heavy. The next one, I have this one. Rug, rug, rug. Super fast, rug. What is rug? Rug is a small carpet to cover the floor. Do you have rug at home? Okay, here you go. This is the picture. Rug, a small carpet. The next one. Cup, cup. A bit faster. Cup. Super fast. Cup. What is cup? I have the cup. Here you go. This is the cup. The cup is a small bowl shape. So the shape is bowl and usually for drinking. The cup is usually for drinking tea. It is different from mug. Mug usually have a straight shape and the cup has a bowl shape. So it looks like a bowl and it usually has a handle. This is cup. Do you want to see my picture? The picture of cup? Let's check. Here you go. A cup with the saucers and there is a tea inside. Let's go to the next one. I have bug. Bug. Super fast. Bug. Do you know what is bug? Bug is a small insect just like a ladybug, a flea, or a mite. I have a green bug who can fly. This is it. Okay, let's go to the last one. I have thug. Thug. A bit faster. Tug. Super fast. Tug. What is tug? Tug is pulling something hard. You have to pull it. Pull, and pull something hard. Do you want to see the picture? Look, two dogs are tugging a bear from the tree hollow. This is tug because the bear is so heavy, so they have to tug it together. Alright, that's all the word for planning today with the sound of like in umbrella.
Don't forget to drink a lot and also eat healthy food. Stay healthy and stay at home, okay?
See you again next time. Bye bye.